ये इनको भूलना नहीं चाहिए. They have to up the ante. और सचिन जोशी आए हैं तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के लिए. इनकी जब भी हम तारीफ करते हैं कोई ना कोई ब्रेक थ्रू जरूर निकल के आता है. प्रोड्यूसर हैं, एक्टर हैं, बॉलीवुड में भी काम कर चुके हैं और सैंडलवुड में भी काम कर चुके हैं, टॉलीवुड में भी काम कर चुके हैं. मल्टी टैलेंटेड है, प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं ये और साथ ही साथ निवेश भी करते हैं, होटल्स चलाते हैं और काफी खुश मिजाज माफी चाहूंगा. और ये बड़ा शॉट खेलने की कोशिश कहां तक पहुंचती है और क्रॉसेस द बाउंड्री.
देखिए यहाँ तारीफ कर दी, कई बार कमेंटेटर कर्स हो जाती है, पर जी हाँ बहुत बढ़िया क्रिकेटर है. पर पहली गेंद जो थी शॉट ऑफ लेंथ और अब यहाँ पे प्रहार करते हुए ये क्षमता है राजीव में. ये मैं बात कर रहा था, जब मौका मिलता है अपने हाथ खोलते हैं और ताकत भरपूर. बैट फ्लो देखिए जबरदस्त. तो स्वागत इतना अच्छा नहीं सचिन जोशी का. हालांकि पिछले मुकाबले में याद है 2 जल्दी विकेट इनको मिल गए थे. विनीत अच्छा कार्य किया था और इस बार बैकफुट पे पर खिलाड़ी डी में तैनात. मैं कह रहा था वो विश्वास झलक रहा है राजीव की बल्लेबाजी में और आत्मविश्वास वो संबल है जो रास्ते की सारी बाधाओं को धराशायी कर देता है.
Well, they need a good partnership. They need to hold on to the fort. They definitely need to come up with a winning innings over here. And like Ajay said, Sachin Joshi would want to make an impact, give a breakthrough to his team. His captain is very hopeful that this will be the over, and that's a big shot. And it's punched away and it'll cross the boundary for a big 6. So back-to-back sixes coming. And Sachin Joshi will not be a happy man. Time to go back into a huddle and figure out what is he doing wrong.
And this has been a very productive over for the strikers. Earlier we saw Rajiv, now it's Arun Beni just going, rocking on the back foot, playing in the gap. That's a good shot once again. Runs are coming for the strikers. Once again pulled away, just bowling a touch shot. Sachin Joshi in this over. Just bowling a bit flatter as well, not giving the ball much air.
Well, running between the wickets has been a crucial aspect of CCL so far, and the way the teams have taken running between the wickets to a serious level is commendable. Well, they are going for the big shots, but they're also realizing the fact that running between the wickets is what is going to get them across to a good total, and that's plucked away again, and it will cross the rope for another 6. Oh ho ho, 20 runs coming so far from this over in 5 balls, and Sachin Joshi will not be a happy man. It's perhaps time for us to stop complimenting him. The last ball of the over, and Sachin Joshi has been hit across the park on 3 occasions.
The third 6 in this over, and that's a clobbered once again on the onside. Nicely picking that one. Expensive over, already conceding 20 runs in this over. Joshi, this is just the kind of over you want. Just getting the impetus at the moment. The strikers from this over. This time a full toss. That's played on the onside, just clearing the infield. Won't be a 4, should stop it. The ball just slowing down in the deep, but that's good running once again. Very good over for the strikers. 23 runs coming from this over, 48 for 1.
A 23-run over. The previous one, the 5th one of the innings. And the Kerala strikers suddenly getting a move on. Look at that. Kicha, Shudip and Sham, 2 captains. One of the bulldozers, the other for the Rhinos. But let's take a look at those 3 big 6s struck in that previous over. Getting right under it. Rajiv was the man who used the long handle to good effect. 23 of those 6 deliveries, and suddenly the Kerala strikers are back in it. In the commentary box, albeit there's a slight change as Vineet and Ajay take a short break. I'm Raman Banot, and with me, Sunil Joshi.
Thank you, Raman. Good start from strikers. Absolutely, after 5 overs, 48 for 1. It's a good score, Raman. This is.
And they've got 43 of the last 20 balls in this partnership. Fantastic stuff. That's good bowling. Good comeback ball from Khayyum, who's starting a fresh over.
In fact, if you look at
the game that they played against the Mumbai Heroes seemed to be an aberration. Both teams getting over 100 runs. No other teams managed that so far in the tournament. It's well fielded. Will come back for the second. It's good running. 50 on the board.
Absolutely. It's a very good running between the wickets. Rajiv pushing himself. That's Kicha Sudeep, the captain of Bulldozers, encouraging the team, two finalist teams. Very important to be part of this setup.
Well, his team didn't make it to the finals this year. They've been champions twice, remember, the Karnataka Bulldozers. But his team holds the distinction of scoring the highest runs this season. 125 is what the Kerala Bulldozers, Karnataka Bulldozers got. And this is a stumping chance, gone a begging. Qayyum thought he had his man. The keeper fumbled it.
Another one, second time in succession. The previous over also Qayyum got Rajiv, but the keeper missed it. Again the keeper missed it. That's a good trap. He missed it nearly. That's an important wicket if you would have got it. These two batsmen from Kerala Strikers are the ones to be watched.
Can you lip read and understand Telugu, Sunil?
It's absolutely impossible.
I don't want to say that on an on-air broadcast, but I'm sure they weren't very kind words on Christmas.
That's another one from Rajiv. I'm sure here Qayyum is being very tactically is bowling well.
Got to give it to them. That 1 over for 23 was an aberration. Barring that, I think the Telugu Warriors have bowled excellently, and the fans are pretty happy with that.
Absolutely, the crowd has come all the way, to cheer the home team to win the championship again. That's the one from Arun. He missed it, and the fielder doesn't miss it. That's the celebration from Telugu Warriors. Qayyum finally struck.
Take another look at that dismissal. Again, slower delivery. He was through with the shot, got a leading edge. Vishwa, smart catch, and even better celebration. Yes.
Absolutely, if Sanju Salim, the man on the focused today, if Kerala Strikers need to win, this man needs to fire. And along with Rajiv, they need to put up a score close to 100, Raman. The Kerala Strikers coming for the first time in the finals of this CCL T10 Blast. They need to win this. They should get a good score to close to 100.
It's a smart move. Take the single, keep the strike. The set batsman. 6 overs gone. It's 52 for 2.